looking at the Sledgehammer, a name that says it all: rugged, sharp, and built for serious riders. Today, I'm breaking down every detail that makes this vest a beast on and off the road. Starting with the outer shell, premium black leather, smooth to touch. You've got 2 snap chest pockets. And check this. The left pocket includes a dedicated glasses holder. Notice the white stitch strip detailing adds just the right amount of edge. And underneath, perforated lower front and back panels, giving you airflow when the ride heats up. The 2.5-inch shorter Lowside design isn't just modern. Front closure features an original YKK zipper, hidden under a snap placket. 1 quick access pocket, 1 smart access pocket, and a dedicated mobile phone pocket. Everything has its place. The inside is lined with a paisley mesh using heavy-duty, soft-touch material. Reinforced shoulder support makes it ideal for long rides. Plus, a single panel back that's perfect for patches or club colors. From craftsmanship to functionality, the Sledgehammer isn't just gear. It's part of your road identity. So if you're ready to upgrade your ride wardrobe, shop now at danielsmartmfg.com.